RITE school, this is a software we are using from the beginning of the academic year, that was in 2008-9, and basically the software comes with a lot of preloaded features, including the class list we can generate, we can update the student details. In case we need to edit some student details, that can be done. There are a variety of reports that can be generated through that. That is, to name a few, we have siblings, pairs, we can find out how many total number of siblings we have in the school. We can generate the student information, we can set the second language for the students, and roll numbers can be generated online, bona fide living certificates that can be generated online. And we have an option of message center where we can communicate with the parents, if you want to inform parents about something, then we can use the message center. We have an SMS facility, that SMS we can send to the parents for whenever any information given to the, if any information is required to be given to the parents. Then it saves actually a lot of time on manual work, finding out how many girls, boys or total number of students are there in each class. And overall we find RITE school, it is a very good software, and it comes with a lot of variety of applications, and in case we require any further application, we just inform the RITE school, and that application is available to us at no extra cost. So overall we find it very easy to maintain, and it's not it's very easy to maintain, and secondly it helps in saving a lot of manual work.